Hey everyone! So I have a 14 by 14, or is that a 12 by 12? 14 by 14 canvas. I already laid my black down, and I'm just going to do a dirty pour on it. I have a bunch of cups of paint. When I mix up my bottles, sometimes I have a little bit left over, and I just put them in these little storage cups. So I wanted to use those up. I have some pretty crazy colors there. I believe this is Lucas Turquoise. This is probably Cerulean Blue. Gold, Lucas Arctic. Craftsmart Blue Ice Pearl. Lucas Steel Blue. And Peacock Pearl. And I'm going to put in a little bit of the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue hue. So I think those colors would give us a nice result. I'm going to do 2 cups. I'm not going to need a ton of paint because I already have the black down, but I need enough to control where I'm going to put it. So I'm just spraying my cups with my WD silicone spray that you can get anywhere, either Amazon, on my Amazon link. I think it's back in stock, I'm not sure. If you can't find it there, Walmart does carry it. So, I'm sorry. I think I'm catching a cold. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Yeah, I'll start with white. Just a little bit. And I'm going to follow that with the turquoise. I'm really hoping I can use these up, but I don't think I'm going to have a big enough cup. And we'll do the Arctic. This one I can use up. I better get my stick out, huh? And these cups are pretty easy to wash up. I take them outside and do them. In the wintertime, I'm kind of forced to check them, but I don't put paint in my septic system, so definitely a no-no. So remember that if you have a septic system, to not wash your cups out, take them outside and do them outside. Let's follow that with Peacock Pearl. Let's do some gold. I did stir it, so I'm not going to be able to use that one up either. I'll have to do some tiles. And then I'm going to put in the Cerulean Blue. Not a lot of that. And we'll follow that with the Steel Blue. And I can use that one up. And then the Blue Ice Pearl. And then I'm going to go ahead with that Cobalt Blue. And I'm going to squirt around the edge and then shove it down. And these will get a tiny swirl. Just wondering if I should shoot a little black in there. Let's do that because I think it's going to be too light. We won't have any definition. Just to squirt down the middle. Okay, all these cats out of here. And I see a fuzzy. I gotta get that out of there. I got it. Must be the garbage men are coming a day early because of the holiday. Sorry about the bump and the noise. Okay, I'm just gonna swirl it on here. Oh, that turquoise really took over. We must get rid of that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on and run through the turquoise. I don't think I'm gonna need any more paint. Need something to come through here. But what I have in the cup is that. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I just put it back in, didn't I? That's alright. Maybe when we stretch it, the other stuff will come up. Alright, so let me start stretching her out. Let's see. I could dump that right over that edge. And the same with the other side. Look, there's a ton of paint on here. I wanted some of the black to show up. I may have to get rid of some of it. That's kind of weird there. Let me put some black in that, what's left over in the cup. Let's see if we can get... Well, let me torch it first. Let's see what we've got underneath. Let me get the bubbles out first. This is a pour over canvas anyway, so I'm not really too concerned if I don't like it. I can still scrape it off again. The painting underneath is dry, so it was a fugly result. Okay, so let me bring some of this here. Another swirl. I could have got away with half a cup of paint on here. Okay, that's going to be much better. We have gold in there now, so with that black. So let me stretch those out. Still got a pile of paint there I gotta get rid of, though. I'll take it right off. There it goes. That's better. Much better. Oh boy. I'm not sure where this purpley color comes from because that steel blue is much deeper than that. Unless it mixed with the gold and that's what it's doing. Let me torch it again. Now the black will continue to make its appearance as it pushes through some of these paints because it does have silicone in it. You can see how it did here. It webbed up a little bit. But other than that, I don't see anything happening right now. So, this may be a chucker. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and click on the bell, and you'll be notified when I upload my next one. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Hit my Etsy shop for my big painting sale. 40% off paintings, 30% off jewelry. Shop with me on Amazon for all your paint supplies and your household items. Just go through the link and do your shopping. It doesn't have to be painting supplies at all. Buy whatever you want. And I have a PayPal link there too if you want to sponsor the channel so I can buy supplies. And we do a quarterly giveaway for that, which will be coming up in August, so it's not too late to enter that as well. So thanks everyone for joining me, and we will see you all on the next one. Oh, you want to see it up close? I'm sorry. There is... I just think it's going to dry pretty, so I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm going to let it dry, see what happens. And I've got a ton of beautiful runoff there that I can pull to make jewelry out of. So thanks so much for joining me. See you on the next one. Bye now.